Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on Vaulty Studio. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back to your home screen, and after that open your Play Store, and from here search for this Vaulty Studio, and from here you make sure that update your Vaulty Studio. I am already updated. After that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and open your setting, and from here open your apps, tap on this and tap on app management, tap on this and search for this Vault Studio, and tap on this and tap on storage usage, and from here tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.